Looking for project management? Well, today we are having a look at Jira, we're having a look at Monday.com. We want to know which one is actually better for you as an individual. So let's dive in. Now, who hasn't heard of Jira software? Jira is quite a leader in project management. So they offer customizable workflows. So Jira lets teams tailor workflows to match unique project needs. You can define statuses, transitions, and rules to optimize your executions. This increases efficiency overall, and it provides more of a clear, more visual progress tracking. You can actually adapt workflows easily to meet changing project demands as well as complexities. Now, I am a visual thinker, so this for me is a fantastic thing. Also, you get agile reporting, so you get real-time insights. You can track velocity, sprint burnout, and cumulative flow for accuracy. You also get to make data-driven decisions rather than hoping and guessing in the dark. And it offers visual dashboards, which are clear charts to simplify monitoring of key agile metrics quite efficiently. Having a look at their issue tracking as well over here, you can actually use their complete task capture over here. So you can actually record bugs, you can have your user stories and your tasks throughout your project cycles. Also, it is a powerful search and filter, so you can actually quickly find and prioritize critical issues for fast resolution, and you get a full audit trail. So you can track all the detailed histories to boost accountability as well as team collaboration. Some of their integrations, which is fantastic, it includes things like Confluence, Bitbucket, Slack, and a ton more. If you are working with software already, when you jump over here to Jira, then it will be fantastic to be able to integrate them and work with them all in one centralized place. Okay, so let's jump into Monday. You can see over here all of the wonderful features that it has. So first of all, you can gain real-time insights with visually appealing dashboards, as you can see on the left-hand side over here, that are tailored to your specific needs. You can monitor project progress, team performance, and you can spot roadblocks at a glance before you get to them. One of the other things that they boast is their automation tools. So you can actually eliminate repetitive tasks, automatically assign tasks, send notifications, as well as update statuses. This is great to save time on those boring, mundane things, not only time, but also your energy. You can boost your team's efficiency overall. You can free up time to focus on high-value activities that really are more important than the mundane, boring things, and you can accelerate project completion overall. You can also integrate a bunch of tools that you may already be using, or tools that you want to use that will enhance your user experience. So you can connect things like Slack, Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and this basically streamlines communications, file sharing, and it automates data transfer to avoid any problems or issues, and everything is in real time, so you can do this all in one place on the spot. The other thing is their project tracking. So you can actually have a visual timeline. You can create and manage Gantt charts with ease. It's really, really simple. It's a drag and drop interface, and you can just make what you need and the way that you need it. You can monitor tasks via a Kanban board as well as a bunch of other visual tools, and it ensures alignment and reduces delays through a transparent tracking, which is fantastic. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, some productivity tools for you. Now, at the end of the day, you need to go ahead and select one or two of them and use them and see which is actually better in a real world scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.